Hey everybody, this is Dave from Growing the Home Garden. I'm here today with a particular type of perennial plant that I really like. It's called Silver Mound Artemisia. Now Artemisia is a very drought tolerant plant. It doesn't like getting wet feet and it needs to be pruned periodically to keep it from falling open in the middle. It makes tight silver colored mounds of foliage, which looks really neat. Has very few pest problems, but it really can get overtaken by weeds, so you've got to take care of it really well. But the reason I'm showing it to you today is because this is something I look for in plants when I buy them. I'm a plant propagator, I love doing it, and I always look for things that might be really good candidates for plant propagation. Mounding perennials are one, and one thing that you can find with a mounding perennial is extra roots. And this one had several little branches on it. Let me see if I can find it for you. That had extra roots on the bottom side. Let's see if you can see that in here. See those little pieces of white root coming off of it? Those make it a really good candidate to cut off this section and put it in a new pot of soil. So I can get 3 or 4 extra plants off of this one particular plant. So, I mean, they'll be small to start from, but they'll grow quickly, and you prune them back and they'll grow bushy. So as they grow, you prune them back a little bit more and a little bit more. And I'm going to stop the video for just a second, and I'm going to cut off some of those pieces, and I'll show you what they look like in a moment. Okay, so to show you what the roots look like a little closer, got that right there. There, that's a better shot. So all I'm going to need to do is stick these into a pot, keep them moist until they are standing on their own root systems. See, even that one, such a small piece there that I clipped off, has a little starter root on the end. And so we got 3 or 4 pieces here, looks like 3, that we can put into a secondary pot and just take care of and encourage it to grow, and then we'll end up with 4 plants from the one. And then the thing to watch out for is this thing grows and lays down, it's going to start sprouting more pieces. So it would be a simple task to cut those off down in the future, just right around over there as close as you can to the stem. Get as many of the roots along that stem area as you can, and then pot those up. And then baby them until they've got a good root system, and then transfer them into the garden. So, and again, this is Silver Mound Artemisia. You can do the same technique with a lot of perennials. It's essentially layering, is what you call it. But in this case, you know, I looked for a plant at the store that was already rooted in some areas so that I could take and make some easy cuttings from it. So, anyway, I hope that gives you some ideas for your garden. Please subscribe if you like this and want to see some more content like it. And my name's Dave. Thanks for watching Growing the Home Garden. Have a good one.